Most businesses that we talk to, everybody's talking about nearshoring, regionalization, localization. Now, that makes a lot of sense for Asia, whether that's China, India, or the surrounding areas like Vietnam. But that's because they have capacity. Everybody who's talking about regionalization around North America, one of the key aspects that's not being discussed is the constrained capacity, not only in the US, but in Mexico as well. So what that means for your regionalization push is when you try to regionalize around North America, it's going to be very difficult for you to regionalize everything. And that's where the mix and the hybrid portfolio approach, you can take your high running parts, your high value parts, and source them in Mexico. Source them even at a higher cost in Mexico or US. But leave the rest of the ecosystem, the rest of the portfolio with a mix of different areas. And those can be dependent on where you've historically sourced from, or more lower cost countries where I can gain pricing leverage, cost leverage. But everybody that's talking about moving things to Mexico and US, there's not enough discussions around the capacity that's there. Now, we see a lot of businesses, a lot of even our customers starting to build facilities in the US, in Mexico, and that'll take time. So this nearshoring and localization around specifically North America will take much longer. And in that time, we're going to have to work through a hybrid approach similar to what we've been doing historically. But there is some use cases for sourcing from Mexico. But currently what we see is just that the capacity is so tapped that it's difficult to find facilities that you can source from at a reasonable cost with the right mix of quality and delivery as well.